Hey, what's up guys? This is Arthur. Welcome to my channel. Few times ago, I watched some karaoke microphone review videos on YouTube, and I found some funny things in the comment areas. Let's have a look. This is a video which got quite a lot of views, and let's see what happened in the comment areas. I just got mine and I think mine is broken. It sounds like a maraca. Anytime you move it, it sounds like it filled with a bunch of broken crap and scent. It either won't scan through the radio and keeps skipping over to the next channel, or it work at all. And some strange or different voice tell me I'm not doing something wrong. Yes, you did something wrong about the radio mode. I will show you how to use it correct. I have the same device, but I don't know how to use the microphone. Can you help? Yes, of course I can. Hi, do we need to charge it before using it? I just swapped one, but I'm not hearing anything after I click the power button. Surely you don't have to, but according to your situation, I think you should. When mine turns on, it's so loud. How do I turn it down? The volume button to nothing to help. Yes, you can't turn it down. It's quite complicated. I can explore it in the future. We just got ours today, but the speaker didn't work. I'm sorry to hear that. How do you use the Bluetooth? Simple. I have one and the volume is too loud, I think. Actually, which is annoying. Maybe. How do you charge it? How does it go in off? Anyone? Come here. WS858 microphone, please send me. How can I? What do you mean? Pay? You want to buy one? I don't want the echo. How can I do this? Just turn it off. How do you charge it? And how do you use a USB in it? Can I get off the music? Wait, how do I get it to even start? You bought one and you don't know how to get it even start? Well, come to my channel and watch my video. Why can't someone post a how-to video on this thing? I can't fucking buy record for the life of me, and I lost the menu. God, funny guy, you should come here. So, as a professional manufacturer of this karaoke microphone, I think it is my duty to post a video on this thing. This video will be the most comprehensive karaoke microphone use tutorial in history. Let's go. Okay, what I saw on the YouTube is mostly about these two motors. This one is A5AL and this one is WS858. This one is most popular in the market because it's competitive price. So I think many people got this one. The function of these two motors almost the same, but there's some difference and the price also difference. Most obviously is you can see here that is a sticker, and also here is a sticker, and you can see the name here is WS858. While this one is A5AL, it's better quality, and you can see there's no sticker, and there's no sticker here too, but the function is almost the same, except this A5AL have a dancing light here. So today I'm gonna show you the tutorials of this mic A5AL. First of all, we need to turn it on. The power button is on the top of the mic. Here, the power button have two functions. One is to turn on or turn off the mic. Red is for a while, about 3 seconds. Let's see. 1, 2, 3.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
1, 2, 3. Turn off. And the second function of the power button is to switch mic mode. There are 4 modes built in this mic. The first is the Bluetooth mode, and the second is selfie mode, and the third is radio mode, and the fourth is line mode. I will explain them one by one in the next. First of all, turn on your microphone.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
And turn on your cell phone's Bluetooth. Then you will find device named WS858L connected.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, connected successfully. Let's play songs. Now we press this button short, just one shot. Pause. One shot again. Play. Press this button for a while, about 3 seconds. You can turn on or turn off the dancing lights. Let's see. Turn off. Turn on. And press this button. Switch to the previous song. Press this button. Switch to the next song. And press this button to increase the volume. When reach the maximum volume, there will be a pop sound. Press this button to decrease the volume. Press this button short, just one shot. You can switch the accompaniment and original music. Listen. That's accompaniment. Once again. That's original music. If you press this button for a while, about 3 seconds, you can change your voice effect. There are 4 special sound effects. This is Matrix Sound 1. Wait. Hello, hello. Matrix Sound 2. Hello, hello. Matrix Sound 3. Wait. Hello, hello. Matrix Sound 4. Hello, hello. Normal sound. Hello, hello. This switch remix is an effect of mixing reverb and echo, which can make your voice sound better. If you want to make it work, you have to turn on the mic's volume switch first. Let's listen. What's the difference? Hello, 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 hello. Turn off it. Hello, 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 hello. That's the difference. In Bluetooth mode, you can play music not only from smart devices, but also from a SD memory card or an USB flash drive. Let's put the SD card into this port and listen.
Music play mode.
Great, it worked. And the function of all the buttons are exactly the same as I said before. Decrease volume. Increase volume. Turn off the lights. Turn on the light. Pause. Play. Next song. Previous song. It also can play music from an USB drive. Go on.
Music play mode.
Pause. Play. Next song. Previous song. Decrease volume. Increase volume. It's all the same as I said before. The second mode, selfie mode. Please don't misunderstand, there's no camera built in the mic. In this mode, you can control the camera shutter function of your phone through the button of the microphone. How do you work? Press power button to switch to the second mode. Then turn on your cell phone's Bluetooth. Search it. Then you can find a Bluetooth device named Shutter. Connect to it. Turn on camera in your phone. Press the next song button or the previous song button to take photo. It also works if you want to take videos. Turn on the video mode in your phone, then press this button. It starts to record. Stop it. Now we have a video. If you are alone and want to take video, this function will be very useful. I use it a lot when I take my video. Let me show you how. Thì看那个有没有在录？有是吧？有没有停下来？ Hello. Start to record. Then we stop it. The third mode, radio mode. Switch to the radio mode.
The radio mode.
Well, as what you hear, it's noisy because the signal is not good. So we need this. An audio cable. It's better, right? In this mode, just press this button. It's not to pause or play, but to scan FM channel or stop it. Let me show you how it works. It starts to scan FM channels. And press it again. It stops scanning. And press this button, you can switch to next channel. And this button, switch to the previous channel. There is no original and accompaniment function in this mode. When you press this button, it doesn't work. Increase volume. Decrease it. No problem. The fourth mode, line mode. In this mode, you need an audio cable too. You can input audio to this microphone by an audio cable.
Line in.
Connect microphone with the square interface. And connect all the audio output devices with circular interface. Other audio output devices can be your cell phone, your laptop, computer even another mic like this. Let's have a try. Play music. It worked.
Line in.
Hello. Hello.
Line in.
By the old Moon Main Pagoda.
Now music comes from this mic. An audio cable. And switch its mic to line in mode.
Line in.
Now music comes from this mic. And this mic has no music. These buttons, they didn't work in the mode of line in. So far, I have explained the 4 modes. Next, I'd like to answer some questions. First of all, how to record source. Questions number 2, how to charge the mic. Questions number 3, how to remove the battery. Questions number 4, how to connect it to a car. Follow me and leave your questions in the comment below. I'll try to answer them in the next video.